this morning I got my Amazon jacket on. But this morning I had to get up really early. I had to come out and the garage door repairman was here, and I just want to bring you all with me. Come on. He finally got it up and running. Excuse my garage. As you know, I did a lot of home repair. We did a lot of painting and the floors, so it's just so good to finally have that garage door back up and running. I had to change the springs and the cords, and we had to get 2 of the... What all did we have to get done? We got 2 springs.
Springs, cables. These are called sheaves.
Okay.
You got sheaves or pulleys, whatever. It's easier for you to remember.
Yeah.
That's about it.
All right, that's not bad.
And the willpower to do it.
That's right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Ooh.
Ain't the prettiest thing on the planet, but it works.
It works. So we had did a lot of construction. We had did our floors, Mari's room, my room. You guys should already know this because I talked about it in another video. If you don't know, go to that video, watch it, scroll down, you'll see it. And then, yeah, I'm just really happy to finally have it done, to utilize my garage. What a feeling. Yes, sir. You ready? You ready, my guy? We locked in, Monty.
We're locked in like we're locked up on the sleeping all way.
Yeah. Some of that. Ew, I got you now. I caught you, boy. Happy birthday. You better be nice to Uncle. You can't fight adults, dude. No. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He said he about to beat you, Monty. Period. We got hot dog. Ooh. What you get, baby? Hamburger and pizzas and walking taco and ices. And I dropped my whole entire pop, guys, and I'm pissed. So I'm drinking Dan's pop. He had a root beer, and I fucked up his shoes, so he's pretty pissed off about that. And Mari actually took my drink because I dropped his drink. And he don't know how to, like, not mess with other kids at the table. No matter where we go. But the food is good. I can honestly say my burger is hitting. This guy wanna give hearts all the time. Scoping them out. He got you. This is so sweet though. He is like beating everybody. I know I lost. He tearing me up, man. Alright, I'm reactivated. Stay up top with it. Alright guys, I have officially made it home. It is so windy here in Ohio today. Today was just a crazy day driving on the freeway to go to Cleveland. The wind literally kept pushing our truck. And we in the F-150. So like, why was the wind pushing us so hard? A whole tree fell on the highway while we were driving. It didn't land in the street, but we were in the right hand lane out of the 3 lanes. We was on the right hand lane, and the tree like fell right on the side of us. We was like, whoa, thank God it ain't hit our car or like get where it can like damage some people, because you know, safety first. But overall, we had a fantastic day. We played a lot of games. We did laser tag. We did bumper cars. We did go-kart tracks. We ate at the food truck. We went to Scene 75 in Cleveland. So that was really fun. It was Bub's birthday weekend. His actual birthday is tomorrow. We're going to sing happy birthday to him tomorrow and have cake and ice cream at the house. So that's going to be fun for Monty. He was asking about that, and all the kids got together today. So it was really nice. But yeah, we just made it home. I'm about to wash my makeup off and probably just watch some movies. It's a Saturday and it's still early. It's 11:36. To me, that's early on a Saturday because I ain't got to work tomorrow. But you know, I got to hit the massager. You know I had to hit that massager, okay? Don't play with it. But I just wanted to end this video right. I'm glad you guys came along with us. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Oh yeah, I just want to thank everybody that tuned in and is following my journey. Because, y'all, if you know me, you know, started from the bottom, now we here.